look at this video. They are playing a game called mud bogging.
Look at this scene. It's very sleepy, this place.
What can this tiny pickup truck even do? It looks like it can barely carry its own weight on a good road, let alone in a place like this. Let's see how it handles this deep mud. We're watching to see if the driver can actually pull this truck out of the mud and make it to the top. There's so much water in the middle, it looks like the truck might just sink. Wait, did the engine stall? Or is it just stuck? It's not moving forward. Oh, it almost made it to the top, but missed it by a hair and slid it back down. Now it's all the way at the bottom again. I still think it might manage to climb back up.
Oh, he did it. He did it. Finally, he did it.